In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a profile photo on Zillow. Having a clear and professional profile photo can make a significant difference, whether you're looking to buy, sell, or rent properties. Let's go through this simple process step by step to ensure your profile reflects your best self. First, we need to start by logging into your Zillow account. It's important to ensure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple profiles. If you're not already logged in, navigate to the Zillow homepage and click on the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials, making sure everything is spelled correctly, and hit Enter. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right area of your screen. You should see either your profile icon or your name displayed there. Click on this section to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option that says Profile. This will take you to your personalized profile page where you can manage various settings and details. On your profile page, there is an Edit option typically found on the upper part of the page, close to your existing profile photo or placeholder image. Click on this Edit button. This will allow you to make changes to your profile details and, most importantly, for our current task, your profile photo. Now, you'll see a photo icon or a current photo if you've uploaded one before. Look for a button called Edit Photo. It's usually located right on the photo area. Go ahead and click on it. This action will prompt a new option to either choose a file or upload an image. Clicking on this button will open a File Explorer window on your computer. Make sure your desired photo is readily accessible and saved in a location you can easily navigate to. It's a good idea to choose a clear, high-quality photo where your face is easily recognizable. Once you have located your chosen file on your computer within the File Explorer window, select it and then click Open. The photo will start uploading to your Zillow profile. It's vital to ensure your internet connection is stable during this process to avoid any upload issues. After your image file is uploaded, don't forget to save your changes. Find the Save button, commonly located at the bottom or top part of the page, and click it. Saving is essential as it confirms all the changes you made, ensuring your new profile photo is live and visible to others who might view your profile. If you've followed these steps successfully, congratulations. You've just uploaded a new profile photo on Zillow. Taking the time to update your profile picture isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating a positive impression for anyone who comes across your profile. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful.